Hello everyone, this is Ben from TestReg. In this lesson, I'll show you how to compare performances and add a row into the favorites. So let's go and check it out. Okay guys, so comparing between performances and adding into the favorite, it's very simple. You can do it anywhere you like, under any table that you want. So the only thing you have to do is, you can see here to the left, you have the checkboxes. So in order to compare between, for example, this row to this row, all you gotta do is just check the first one and then the second one, and you can see each one got its own color, and for a reason. I'll show you in a moment why. Now you don't see anything because we need also to check, remember to check the software, which software we're talking about, yes? So I'm gonna check this one, and here we go, this is the result. Now as you can see, the percentage, it's painted with the green. And for a reason, because the result that you see here, it's always relates to the green color here, okay? The row with the green color. So if we scroll a little bit to the right here and look at the results, so if we're gonna read it here, for example, the open test is 35% less than the yellow one. Yeah, and it makes sense. This one is 1 minute, 2 seconds, and this one is 46 seconds, okay? The same goes for the frame per seconds. It's 31% less than the yellow one, okay? And again, for the render. Now, let's just say you want to see it from the other way around, to switch between them. And this is possible. We made it like this, that you can see the result from two sides. All you gotta do is uncheck the yellow and check again. And as you can see, they switched. So now, you know, the green, it's turned into the first one, okay? And the yellow, it's on the bottom, which means now if you take a look at the results, they also changed. So basically what it means that this row is in the open test, it's 26% better than the second row, okay? And FPS test is 45%, 48, it's better than this one, and so on, okay? So it's very easy to recognize which is what. And again, you see here in the middle, you can also see the actual value. This one is gonna be fixed, but it's good to have both of them, both the percentage and the actual value right beside each other. So you can also see how much in actuality we're talking about. So it is very simple, as you can see, and it's also very visual. So it doesn't mean, you know, you can click over here, then you always have something marks that tell you which row we're talking about. Okay, now let's just say we found some very interesting rows with interesting component, which we want to dig in later with more information. And what we're gonna do, so all you gotta do is just click on the favorite, okay, the heart here, and then you can add this one as well. And then in the next video, I'm gonna show you how to add prices and to do the comparisons, okay? So I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.